Hey everyone, Nadine here today, and I am making a card. I'm going to be using VersaMagic inks are going to be my main focus on this card. I'm going to be using the VersaMagic in Thatched Straw, Mango, Persimmon, and Pumpkin Spice. And with VersaMagic, it is great on all different surfaces, but it's really wonderful on vellum because it's like a chalk ink, so it's not real, it doesn't absorb more. Since it's a chalk, it stays more on the surface, and since vellum is more of a glossy, it's not porous, so it doesn't soak up. It's great for vellum. I'm also going to be using some VersaMark and some embossing powder in white and sponge daubers, along with a Sizzix embossing folder and some Altenew stamps and dice. So to get started, I am going to move all this out of the way. The first stamp I'm going to do is this one right here. So to get an idea of sort of the size of it, I want to start with the thatched straw as the light color in the middle. So just kind of adding some of it into the middle. And then I'm going to go with the mango next, and just adding that right along the outside of the lighter one. And then using persimmon towards the outside. Now this is going to look like a total mess when it's done, but once I stamp and die cut out the flowers, it won't look so bad. I guess it kind of looks like a burst of sun or something. I don't know what it looks like right now. And then going back in with the other color just to blend them a little bit more. And there we go. And then I'm going to also do the same for the other flowers, kind of getting an idea of what it looks like. These are layered stamps, but I'm just using the outside portion of the flowers. This flower, I'm just going to use the two darker colors just because it doesn't have the center. I am going to use my heat tool on this since it's vellum, it does take a little bit more time to dry, so I'm just going to heat it up to get it nice and dry. Alright, now that it's dry, they won't smudge or anything anymore, so you can see there's no smudging. And I'm going to ink up my stamp in some VersaMark, and then I'm going to emboss them with some white embossing powder. There we go. Now I'm going to die cut them out, and I'll be right back. There, my flowers are done. I also did a few extras. I don't know how many I need yet. So you can see what they look like there. And I also went ahead and embossed a piece to go onto my card base using the thatched straw. I'm just going to lightly, you don't want to push too hard because then you'll go in between the embossed area, but just push, just barely tap or lay it on there and just run across it really light, just so it catches some of the embossed areas. And there we go. So that was with the thatched straw. Using some tear tape, I'm going to adhere that to the front of my card base. And then I'm going to ink up my stamp with, or my sentiment with some VersaMagic in the Pumpkin Spice. I'm also going to use some tear tape onto the back of this and adhere it to this and I'm going to assemble my card. And there we go. I assembled the flowers on the front, added some gems, and my card was complete. Thank you so much for watching. Visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration.